Well, as it turns out, Shashi Tharoor's praise for Narendra Modi isn't isolated or it's a personal view, it seems. With an air of optimism pervading the 16th Lok Sabha, the country's MPs are setting aside their bitterness of their party's defeat to sound a gracious note about the new Prime Minister. Remains to be seen how long this actually lasts.
Absolutely, in refreshing contrast to the acrimony and hostility that defined the discourse between Modi and members of the Congress during the elections, politics may just have gotten a little more gracious, but don't hold your breath.
Modi is the flavour of the season. His emphatic victory has turned many of his critics into supporters. But the new additions to Modi's fan club should worry Sonia and Rahul. In a signed article for Huffington Post, Tharoor has this to say about PM Modi.
In the couple of weeks since his election, Modi has been conciliatory and inclusive in both his pronouncements and his actions.
He also added,
Prime Minister Modi has gone out of his way to avoid confrontational language, to omit issues and imagery that India's religious minorities would find offensive, and to extend a hand of friendship to his critics.
Needless to say, Tharoor's praise did not go down well with the Congress.
The views expressed by Mr. Shashi Tharoor about Mr. Modi and his government are his personal views.
Tharoor was forced to clarify his stand on headlines today.
Refer people to the original article in which I said that Mr. Modi is trying to remake himself from a hate figure into an avatar of modernity and progress. And that attempt is what we have seen since the 16th of May with his conciliatory and accommodative and inclusive language. And I felt it would be churlish of me not to acknowledge that he's been saying all the right things since his victory.
But Tharoor is not the only Modi fan in Congress. Arunachal Pradesh MP Neong Erin has also joined the list.
Modi is doing a whole lot of things which need to be appreciated. I can't criticize him just because I'm in the Congress party. The way he has approached the Northeast is a very positive thing by itself.
Already emaciated to a strength of just 44 seats, the Congress is a weak opposition today. And if Congress MPs start praising Modi, who will keep a check on the government's action? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.